Hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It all depends on where you are seeing me from or where you are at this particular minutes, this particular hour. I'm going to be your host, no other person but Princess Very. Yeah, yes, so the only Africa Jama Queen, the Facebook Queen, yo, we can pay. Now it's dinner, or I keep on for next year. One go out, or whatever wrong. I'm weak. I'm really tired. School is not easy. Egbon man ayati abidi mo boma. Egbon man adoyati abidi we It's very obvious. Eh? Obvious igbe. Egbon man ayati abidi. Abidi abidi bidi. People would imagine so be this man wait there. This man don't fuck up. The guy don't fuck up. Now make a picture, you stand back to the back for here. Now because of the fuck up we fuck. He don't fuck all you. And this time, before I go into this broadcast, I beg us not they come. Oh, this say I've shared it. Hey, you don't use laugh, give me. He bless that you go win my award of this year. Number one sharer. He said I've shared it. Wanna help me share? I beg. Good evening, darling. This matter is too sweet. In fact, women make una come open her ear down because, my God. Make women come open their ear. Not be only ear. Wanna come open her ears down. Take collect matter the ground. Don't fool everywhere. And I see this man. Wanna they see so. Anyway, wanna see, wanna tear, wanna run for your life. Any woman will jam this man. Run for your life. If not, he will kill you. Now even lock this woman, this queen get. And I go put that queen picture later. Because I tell her, if you bring picture concern and this person do you something, make sure say your picture go join and not that one not your consign me because now you carry the matter come. Now you say make the whole world, make they come rescue you. So we don't call now for the whole universe, make they come help them. Make they come really help you help. You understand? So this one not be my boy, not be my problem. Now this guy problem and now the girl problem with that too. So hope you guys are hearing me very well. If you are not hearing me, say you are not hearing, no, so I can shout like the day I result the qua. I did not block you, my darling. Why did you block my other? I did it. Maybe it's a mistake. Oh, okay, I'll go and reopen it. Okay, Ebony peppered them. Maybe it gave it to you right, so. Oh, no, I mistakenly block you. I cannot really say. Maybe it's a mistake, Ebony. Okay, I will try and reopen you. I will check it after the broadcast. Thank you. Please share this broadcast out and we'll go hear from almost 4 people today. And this topic now for 2 people, but we'll go hear from maybe 4 people. So I'm not gonna share the broadcast out so that we'll quick. Hey, yeah, I did not do anything. Are you sure? Okay, listen, but no worry. I'm gonna block you. I'll go find out. What will be the account name? What is the account name so I can go and check later? Okay, let's go there. Mona share will be 55 now. I be Mona share. Mona share so that it never reach you. Mona share, make people come. Now let no one else watch the Ogboge story. The story tough, the story carry weight. Okay, Ebony pepper them. Okay, no problem. I will check and I will open it. Okay, don't worry, I promise. Okay. So this matter with the ground, so I know some people will say, "Man, sit down, woman, they see me small, This our brother wanna see for not say me not the talk, but the talk woman. I go the 12 small. So make una share. Thank you, no problem. You're welcome. Make una share so that people will day here to come listen to this story. A very pathetic one at that. Very pathetic story. Very, very pathetic. Very, very pathetic story. This one weak me. Even I vex put the picture. I vex. The thing vex me as a woman where I be. The thing vex me. It vex me. A whole 22,000 euro. Now this guy thief. A whole 22,000 euro. Now this guy color big come up for woman hand. He bask. No, you must return that money. The money too big, you go return am. Anyhow wey she take get that money, no let am concern you. Return that money. We don't beg you tire. May return that money. Don't talk story, talk story, talk story. All your story. All keke. Pero na ye we. Story wegbe. Any zero na ye akbe story we. Story wegbe. I mean na ye we. Very, very notorious story. So before I go, I want to advise, I want to talk to many people. And I know say when matter they flow for her for social media. You know, say I dey talk as anybody wey no want me they talk matter, make you not let it matter cause social media. Because if you come, everybody must talk. You no fit owe anybody. Be you presenter, be you anything where you be. Based on who you be. You no fit stop anybody me not. If by us come make una zanzan, if I make una kalekwa, no go sign me. Na me carry myself on social media. Now let me follow come. So anything where I see, I go be now. Because here we in winner no one winner na me quite be. So in winner social media na wa me accident wo lawa. There accident no me there no honoro. Who egbe ya replay awe pane biti egbo egbe ladia. But wa gege beyond repair no lawa. That is the truth. If you know say you get accident for social media and your accident na beyond repair enter house. But if that normal accident, very normal thing, I beg, go do your panel beating for your body, come out again with another new style. You understand? So now style now everybody go to enter house. Very soon, social media now, nobody go enter Facebook again because the new system where they come, it don't pass everybody. Osasojo, thank you, my darling. Good afternoon. Welcome. Tell your patience. I can see you guys, Naomi. Thank you. Hi, Naomi. That is my baby girl, the way from Bergamo. Good evening, darling. You know, so this man, Doc Kolobi, 22,000 euro. Now he Kolobi from one of our sisters since last week. Now he take Kolobi the money, now he tears. This man, Agbo man. Now Agbo, I go turn away for call for Agbo. I get mama picture. We don't get everything. Mama asked people. They say since a year la will reach your WhatsApp. They say since what this man call us reach. He don't reach 1972. They not hear from him again. So they come and come put it. So I see his story na very pathetic. If I never see share, me not go talk this story. If you like me, make the picture did there for 20 years ago, wrote it there. Good evening, tired patience. Thank you. Make una just the press the share button. More than share, may Agbo people come listing. Love you, mommy. I love you, darling. May Agbo people hear this matter. Okay? Make Agbo people hear this matter. The two of them are from Agbo. Now make me go really carry nyash, open nyash, sit down for this matter well. Because if they see our Bini people, now they say, Bini people, now that's that again. This one will not be Bini people. Now this one are Agbo stroke Agbo, which is very, now I come make her pay me. Oh, your Agbo sister. You feel treat her bad this way. What of if I come Bini person, you jam? Let me say, you for kill them before you come out. So make I hear the see share button. If you don't reach 100, we'll start. If you never reach, we'll leave the matter till next year. I may carry myself. Come now, let me do it. So I go call the sister now where the matter happen to. But first, make I call. Not me go tell the story. Make we call the sister where get the story. Make let she use the math. Thank you, darling, for sharing. Thank you, patience. Share around so that people go here. So I go call the sister now where the matter concern. So that only go use the man talk. Yeah, hello. I did live video. I know if he talk to you now later. Okay. So I will call the sister and make she explain, give us, okay? Try by the group. Okay, I will try. Okay. May I call the sister? May only she tell us What do you know I cannot hear me? Now let you go fear explain me no fear explain what happen. Now she carry the matter come. He said she want make the whole world hear this story because the thing really pay her. She not expect say your Agbo brother go fit treat am this way. Which is very bad. Maris. Queen, get ready. Are you there? I will get back to you, darling. Where are you now? I know the feel fine person, because I know they get patience. So my matana bo. Where are you? Where you enter? Okay, see. Okay, my call on direct. No need. My call on direct. I want call the person where carry the matter come so that no let she explain, give the whole word. What happen? Hello.
Hello, good evening, ma.
Good evening. How you doing?
I dey fine. People when I send go their village, now
Wait,
they just come. They say because
wait
hello,
first.
ma.
Never explain that part. People will send go their village. You wait first. So you go explain. Give me again as the whole matter take happen because we dey narrate the story now. Give the whole word. Make they hear your whole part of the story. So you go tell us from the beginning how you take know this boy oh, how una take do oh, before courage money matter oh, you just narrate am. I not talk lie oh, you know say I fit tell you. They know they talk lie because from here na juju matter oh, you know say they know they talk lie.
Okay.
So I bet tell us
Yes.
your name and which tribe you be.
My name na Mary James.
Okay. So you
I'm
are,
from Delta State, Agbo.
you are from Delta State Agbo. Are you people hearing her? Okay, you are from Delta State Agbo. This prince of a man, how you take know am?
Now when I did Nigeria, now I know am for Nigeria.
For Nigeria, now you know
So
am.
as yes.
Okay. Talk.
So as I come Europe, now last year, now he can't get my number. We can't dey talk. Hello?
I'm hearing you. Oh. We just hear you, not believe me.
So as he get my number, we can't dey talk. Now there we come, like two of us can't dey friends. Again, we can't come back again. So since then we did. So we be there France before we can come Germany. Now that last year, now we come Germany. So what can happen now? Me travel for 5 days. Before I come back, he pack all his things. Both because he get one picking, he pack his picking things. Then come on, he pack my own things, join them. He take my gold, he carry my money, join them.
How much be the money we carry?
The money we carry na 22,000 euros.
Hey, Jehovah Nissi. Okay, this man now. You said this man first get one pikin. Now you born the pikin
Yes.
for him.
No, not be me born the pikin for him.
How
What
come
he tell me say the pikin mama don't die.
the pikin mama die?
And I saw him tell me.
Okay, the pikin mama die. So now you call the help and they take off the pikin since when are they together so?
Since when we dey together, I mean they help and they take care of the pikin.
How long when I don't come back to each other? How long when I can't come back together as boyfriend and girlfriend or as husband and wife?
Like a year or a year and 2 months.
Okay. You sure say not be only you by yourself. Give the man the money.
You say?
You sure say not be only you by yourself. Give that Agbo man. She says he's from Agbo too.
Yes, the man from Agbo. Yes.
Which side for Agbo?
Now Ota for Agbo.
Ota for Agbo. Okay. So not be only you by yourself. Give this man money. The time when the thing they sweet you, sha. Not verse.
I don't give the man the money. God will bear me witness. I don't give him the money.
Do you not give him the money? So now before
No,
you come from where you go, now you pack, carry your pikin, carry your money, carry your gold, you can't run.
Yes, pack all in things and in picking things. He carry some of my things with my gold. One gold now he take that sick one when I went in wear for that picture. Now he take with some of my things, my face cap, my tummy glass, and some other of my things. Two glass now he take with all that to carry the money.
Okay.
Where I put out inside the bag when I hide and put my there for carry. When I come back, I ask and say, whose bag money dey inside? Because money not follow me come back. He say no bag when money dey inside again. And we say answer me.
Okay. He say no bag when money dey again. Okay, since when he come up for your house, so we don't run now. You dey call am since to try to answer, make you bring the money come
that
back.
day when I come back, enter house, open door, I don't see anybody, nothing they have again. I can't call him. He tell me saying go call me back, he go call me back. He not call me. After 3 days,
Somebody there wait more. He said this man get
back.
3 children. And true, this man, you are very correct. You were right. Said this man get 3 children. And true, and 3 children get. Because all the children are 3. Because the one where die born 1. That Cameroon one born 1. No say she fed get 1 where she hold. But that 3 children, not the 3 not be your one another man get them. And they come and come put the story for now. They come.
The one where another man get, the papa don't take.
The papa don't take her, yes.
Now the wife will die. Where he say he get cancer. He say now he first born out before 2 of them no. But now he be there with 2 of them. But that one papa they don't take that one.
Okay.
It's one boy.
Okay. Okay, I understand now. Okay, sis, where this matter happen now? How long is there now?
Me, I come back on the 16th. Now I come back on
so the 16th, you not come meet am?
I'm not coming down.
Okay, you not come meet am. Don't run come up for us. Okay, since all the 16 reach now, you don't come back.
When I don't come back? No, he never come back. That day when I come back on the 16, they tell me on the 15th he come out. But our neighbor here, I come ask them. They tell me 2 days ago now he come out.
Okay. So since when you dey ask her now, we don't come out, say when they ask her now, say make you bring the money come back. What thing they tell you?
I can make bring the money come back since then. If I call him, tell him, say, tell me. I can't send her my mother account number. Say, pay the money. Then the rest thing and the goods, send her for me, for where I did. You know, he go to talk another thing. If I talk him, he go tell me, say, I call my ex last year. So I call my ex last year. I just say, my ex is Africa. Now you say, make I call her. Make he bring her book come. I call him. That's where they go and go for his sister. I call him, collect the number, make he bring her book come. My ex is Africa. I know they not be that one at the top. After again, he go talk, say, money where they pay us, say, make they give me 200 euro every month. He talk that one. I said, no, be that one. They talk, my things where you carry my money, now they talk about. That one not concern this one.
Okay, this money matter now. Not only you, they are aware of this matter, be other people, they are aware when you don't report this matter, give.
I report to my mother and my brother.
What of the
and
boy
my
family?
Godfather.
What of the boy family?
The boy family, my mother go tell in brother, where senior don't where senior where they go. So no, Sunday that one come see my mother for
what did that one come talk?
So my mother still don't go their village.
So you said they go today, Abi, according to you.
Huh?
You said they go there today.
I told him I go there today, but when he go, my mother go there today for their village there.
So why she come waka?
I say good. I be say make he go snap his mother picture, then snap their house. He say his mother know they fit come outside again because na person wey be say he no go hear you again. Don't lost in memory because he don't old well. They say because if he come outside, go waka enter bush like that. They know the let am come outside. So say he dey inside bush. So na their house now they snap picture.
Mama no dey fit come, no fit take off him mama. Now he can't put out for you to the 2,000 euro. He can't thief. We want even since they say since when he enter abroad, self they not the hear from ma. They just a group. They waka the find person where want thief they go. Ole buruku. Why you can't connect with social media? When me rock ba. You never see anything. This one you the tick off an iceberg. You never see anything. That money he go vomit. Anyhow we want to vomit that money. Even whether he like her or you don't like her, he go submit that money. Whether by crook or by hook, he go submit that money. 22,000 euro.
No, so
that's what money be that. O Jamie to 50 jump political. How are you share? It didn't know they come. So you say another person doesn't hear this mother, which is your godfather.
Yes.
Okay, no wahala. So till now, you don't hear anything from the boy. The money in no return. Okay.
In
No
all
wahala.
return.
Okay, no wahala. I beg, I go recall you back with deadline when.
Okay.
My people, I want call the godfather. I want to see hear from that one. Or me, I feel call the boy in question. Whether he go pick. Whether he go pick because me that don't dig ground. Whether I go pick my car, I don't know. I see whether I vote deadline. They fear to pick my call. They fear. If I hear call and say, hey, this woman don't come. Or maybe not the way the food day. I come more. Before I call the godfather when they report the matter, give me I quickly analyze this man from who he be. This man named Prince Obi. He come from Agbo. That girl where they talk to his ex-girlfriend from Nigeria before they part their way. The girl come Europe. The boy come Europe on his own. So it's the boy, according to the boy, the way they explain to me, the voice everything there with me here. He said that for Africa country, now he lost the girl contact. So when he can reach Europe, he can look for a contact again. Before then, he don't get one woman for Italy. So that woman can't born one pikin for her. The woman can't get cancer. The woman can't die. So when the woman died, he can't get to the take off that pikin. And that woman don't fair born one pikin for one Benin boy too. So it can't be two children where the woman gets. So after the woman don't die, so the papa of that other one where the girl fair born, where the woman fair born, so that one now can't get to come carry a pikin. Now understand that can't get to come carry a pikin, can't remain one pikin with her. So after they come back, follow one Cameroon woman, he can't go marry one Cameroon woman. So when he married the Cameroon woman, and they come and see this your top, this your comments, obvious. I bet if I get question for the game on the right hand, we'll see him. She's lying. Why you say she's lying? Why you say she's lying? We don't get to ask on that kind of story. The story is so kind the way. Kind the way you know them. Oh, I know him. Okay. Now my friend died. Somebody they tell you say you know her, they talk say whether I know her, whether I don't know her. But this one they talk say she dey lie. The matter don't reach Juju office. So if she dey lie, the matter not go fit reach Juju office as we dey talk. So she don't carry the matter go another place. Don't be only here she carry the matter come because the two is so pathetic. And because of this coronavirus, maybe I don't want to know how she take to get her money. Everybody get the way they get in own money. You understand? So that will not be issue to come question say I take get to the 2,000. People they get 100,000 euro for this house. Whether I get you will give her, you know. You whether you na my niece die. Hey yeah. Sorry, darling. Yeah, he's a day na my niece die. So you know the guy, yeah. Mama, please ask him where did you get that out of money in Europe? I can't ask him. Maybe the person will get Igbo. The people where Igbo they give 50,000, give 100,000. I never go ask where they foresee that kind of money. Now I can't go ask which foresee 22,000 euro. No. I know if you ask her which foresee him. Not be my business. The thief and be the not thief. If he be say don't tell where the cocaine, then you go don't tell where they get the money small. Now maybe you get what you want use the money to do. Everybody get what you want use money to do. That's why they work for fabric for you where they receive 1.5. A year go get 15,000 euro for your information. Yes, a year go get like if you not to spend, maybe brutto. Guys, if maybe they get like 192,000, if they keep 115 every month, they use 500. Go fit save that money under 1 year. Maybe it's they do that business journey. So if you save, we not fit ask as they see the money. You understand? Now only way the dragger come out when another person comes to dragger, maybe there's not all this susu matter. Now not say this susu matter. People they do well for year. So maybe that money not be like according to her said that money not be still get time. There be two people who get that money will pack that money for susu. So the money where she never will pay back to the people when she foresee her because I ask her, me must ask. I'm so inquisitive. I must ask. Even when she talk, I carry my hand, put for it. I say, where you foresee that kind of money? Where you foresee that kind of money? Now she come tell me say that was susu money. Say not be only she gonna be two. They be one use and do, for something that have to do with something to test stay here. You understand what they try to talk? Now she take keep that money since that maybe she do osusu now susu. So that's two of them, not be only she and her friend get that money. They just pack give them. She never even start to pay back. The person don't carry the money wrong. You don't know say that kind of matter go sweet. Mama, please wait. Mama, please read your comment. I'm reading now. The man is a good man. Why did you say the man is a good man? Maybe she do susu. Please, I want to call that the man kill my friend Nessie. Prince na bad head. Mama, please, your number. My number is there now. I put number there to call if you want to contribute. Or is it not? Okay, let me write it again. Okay, maybe I forget. This is my WhatsApp number. You can call to contribute if you want. 520-893. My number is there and I will come at you. See it there. He said, if it's true, that woman should go to Juju to rise a curse upon him. She saved that money in her house. Yes, of course. Please give me your number. My number is there already. See it there. My number is there. You can call. Just quickly pick it before he is... Okay, let me pin it. Okay, I've pinned it. The number is there. You understand me, ba? So please, just call if you know you know the story. So after where this man, we are talking rituals now. So after where this man now don't come home marry Cameroon woman, he come follow the Cameroon woman go France. So when they reach France, so their door never finish. He blessed the Cameroon woman and they don't see, he doesn't see the Cameroon woman even born for this man. You understand? So after when the Cameroon woman don't born for this man, the Cameroon woman come zoom off. So when the Cameroon woman zoom off, come and say, he not fit again. The Cameroon woman carry pikin come out. So he can't get to deal with this one pikin when this woman born before she died. So before he can't get contact with this girl again. So as he can't get contact with this guy again, now they can't continue their relationship. You understand me, ba? So now they can't get their relationship back. So from there, that this girl now, they come and say, okay, maybe they come Germany, maybe they come out for France. So now they come out for France, they can't come back to Germany. I'll see put the girl picture because I tell her, they can't tell me story, say me, can't tell me, say me, I not put your picture, I go put them because now you bring the story come. So now they can't come Germany, they can't start to live for Germany. So Germany now they pay them, the man, the pikin, and this one they pay them €850 all together because they come together, come shop at the road together for Germany.